I'm here to talk to you about something that's making headlines, especially locally in our area right now, and that is power surges. Patrick Summers, President and CEO of General Air Conditioning and Plumbing. Power surges are nothing new. They happen all the time. And there's many reasons why power surges happen. There's big ones that happen. Weather can be a big cause in power surges. Lightning can be a big cause. Down lines, all of this type of stuff. Power goes out, power comes back on, could be a power surge. Then you have power surges that could be happening on a smaller scale within your home. These power surges happen when big appliances like an air conditioning unit turns on and off. They can send small power surges throughout the home that may not cause damage right away, but can over time. If you've ever stood in your house and the air conditioner turns on and it pulls power down, that is an indication of how much power these appliances can pull. So how do you protect yourself? Well, there's a lot of things. Now think about this. Almost all of you out there, I know I do, have some sort of surge protection on appliances, computers, TVs, things like that. This is the most typical surge protection we see right here. Something like this that you plug different appliances into. Really, ideally, every appliance in your home should have surge protection at point of use. Now this is great, but this is only going to give you so much protection. Right here, this is surge protection just for your air conditioner, your pool pumps, pool appliances, things like that. This protects those units. Here's the cool thing. This comes with a 3-year, $7,500 equipment protection coverage. So if you have this installed and it does not do its job, for 3 years, up to $7,500 worth of coverage. Every piece of pool equipment, air conditioner unit, well pump, you name it, should have one of these on it. It's just smart protection. Next up, every home should have this. In fact, the electrical code has just been updated that new panels have to have this. So when we install a new panel, upgrade a panel, it comes with surge protection. But if you have an existing panel, unless you install it yourself, chances are it has no surge protection. This device right here installs at the panel in your home, whole home surge protection. This is a must-have. Now here's the great thing about this. This comes with 5-year, $75,000 coverage. So if you get a surge in your home and it does not do its job, the coverage that comes with this is 5 years, $75,000. Now, you may be asking yourself, why don't I have this? That's a really good question. There's no reason not to have it. You should get it installed, you should get protection, make sure your appliances are protected. And what you should do is a tiered approach, right? It's not, I have coverage at the panel, so I don't need it at the condenser, or I have it at the panel, so I don't need it per appliance. You should do a tiered approach. You should have localized protection for the appliance in your home. You should have coverage at the main appliance device, the bigger ones. Pool pumps is one that should definitely have it. Pool pumps are very expensive to replace these days, the variable speed. Air conditioner should definitely have one. And then of course, the whole home protection. Tiered approach, whole home, major appliances, and then point of use for TVs, computers, things of that nature. It's a must-have. This day and age, there's protection out there. Call the General. We can come out. We will do a free evaluation, give you a free estimate of what it will cost, what you will have to invest to protect your home and its appliances.